Hi guys, welcome to Nocatee in St. Johns County, Florida. My name is Veronica Weiland. I'm with eXp Realty, and today I would like to present to you this beautiful home in Coral Ridge, built by David Weekley. The floor plan is called Palencia, one of their newest floor plans. It's just 3,700 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. It's a 2-story home, a lovely, beautiful open floor plan, a beautiful 7-panel sliding glass doors leading to a patio with a beautiful pool right on the preserve. Check out those beautiful details around the house, like the beams in the living room, the hardwood floors, the quartz countertops, and the beautiful high-end white cabinets in the kitchen.